My name is Rick Rivera. I'm with Safeguard Investment Advisory Group. And today what I'd like to discuss is what is a QCD? You're probably thinking the same thing I'm thinking. Who comes up with these terms? Basically what a QCD is, a qualified charitable donation. And what it does is it gives you the ability to distribute from your retirement account. And the key takeaways of a QCD, or qualified charitable donation, is that it allows you to give a tax-free donation, pulls the money out of your IRA, tax-free, and donate it tax-free. So it's not included on your taxable income. So let me give you a scenario where this may come into play. We have clients that come in from time to time, and they're passionate about a specific charity. And let's say with Social Security and pensions, their income is totally sufficient to be able for them to, live and maintain their standard of living and travel and everything else. So the money that's sitting in their IRAs, retirement accounts, 401ks and all that is just extra dollars. And as you know, starting this year, if you're 73, you're forced to take distribution out of those retirement accounts. So those clients that are passionate about a foundation or a charity, they're like, hey, listen, you know what? I don't need that required minimum distribution. So they want to donate it to a charity. So they'll take the required minimum distribution, obviously they're taxed on it, and then they give it to the charity. Well, with the QCD, what this does, it allows you to take the money out of the IRA and transfer it directly to a qualified charity where it's not added to your income. And you're not paying taxes on money that you're not going to be using anyway. The other advantage of doing it that way is this. We have to remember that whatever our income is, it's going to determine how much of your Social Security is going to be subject to tax. So if I'm pulling money out of my IRA or retirement accounts and adding it to my income, that can cause my Social Security to be taxed higher as well. However, if I can do what's called a QCD and transfer that money directly and it's not being added to my income, there's strategies that we can use to help minimize the taxation on your Social Security and pensions and still allow you to donate in a more efficient manner to the charities of your choosing. Now, obviously, in this short video, it's going to be almost impossible for me to give you all the different scenarios that could come into play and how you can use it. But bottom line, we just wanted to expose you to an idea. So that way, if you are thinking about, or you're already giving away to your special foundations or charities, you should give us a call, or maybe call somebody that specializes in this area and just see if there's any way you can actually do this on a much more tax efficient manner. The other thing too that's a little bit outside the topic is that sometimes some of you that are watching this video, maybe you're still giving away to charities, but maybe you're not using retirement dollars. Maybe you have land or property that you'd like to donate, or maybe you need income off of those assets. There's even other strategies that can be utilized where you can give property or land away and to your charity, help them out, and actually get income off those assets if need be. Bottom line, there's far too many scenarios for me to go through in one video. But if you follow the links below and you have questions and you'd like to know how it would work in your particular situation, what I would suggest is just give us a call, toll free, 800-700-1980, or just follow the links below and you can schedule a quick consultation, or at least, at the very least, consult an advisor that can give you proper information. And this way, you can not only do things that are efficient for yourself and your tax planning, but also more efficient for the charity as well. Thank you so much for listening, and please click on the like and subscribe button. We really appreciate it.